We are the Robot Chickens. We are
13,
11,
12, and 10 years old.
This is our research and presentation project about smart moves to share with our community.
And we have a great idea to help improve transportation quality in the Silicon Valley area by combining proven technology and transportation trends to form our solution.
This is Eric in the KXYZ traffic copter. It's really messed up down there.
Hi, this is reporter Andrew for Channel 11 TV News, and I'm talking with Paul, a member of the Region Traffic and Planning Commission, and Stephen, a well-respected economics and sociology professor from our local university. Commissioner, I know our viewers would like to know just how bad the congestion is and how it impacts our overall economy.
Absolutely. Let me provide some context about our community, and then I'll let Professor Stephen comment further. Our community is Silicon Valley, which is located in Northern California, just about an hour south of San Francisco. It's named after the birthplace of silicon wafers for making semiconductors. Silicon Valley has over 2 million plus residents in a small area.
An example of a typical congested Friday evening commute. Red and yellow indicates slow or heavy congestion.
Now, let's roll tape on a prior interview with an economic advisor from the Obama administration on transportation and economy regarding Silicon Valley. Roll tape.
Silicon Valley is a large hub of economic activity and critical to the economy of not only the United States, but also the rest of the world.
With our cost of real estate and a major economic benefit of Silicon Valley, it seems we must get traffic moving smoother. And using eminent domain to buy more land for widening freeways is not a valid option. Commissioner, in a recent press release, you mentioned that you and your team have a solution that greatly improves commuters' ability to move more effectively, while using existing freeways helped by using proven technology, such as centralized, coordinated use of freeways, better mass transit planning, and usage. Could you tell us about the smart move concept you and your team are proposing?
Here's an example of how our idea works using typical everyday commuters in Silicon Valley. Individual commuters access our centralized smart move computer system using a web browser to enter their commute facts like origin, destination, and desired arrival time. The system then displays a screen on the web browser showing the best commute options, carpool connections, and mass transit options to choose from.
That's great, Commissioner. Can you show us a specific example? Professor, can you share your thoughts as well?
In advance of their commutes, our 4 commuters access the system using the web. They type in their data by answering simple questions like 1. Their origin, 2. Destination, 3. Needed arrival time. Then they click OK, and then all the smart move options are available for the commuter to see.
Options returned are mass transit such as Caltrain, bus, or light rail, other optional commute departure times from home, or the final option is Smart Move will also identify nearby commute partners to contact about carpooling. The system will introduce you by email if you are interested. In this specific example, our commuter decided to remain a solo commuter. His commute is now registered and he was given a departure time as to when to leave home.
As a result of using Smart Move system, Karen Block and Steve Briggs discovered they live near each other and traveled to several nearby destinations. They both decided to use the Smart Move carpool or email introduction services, share contact information, and begin carpooling as their mutual choice.
Beam, who is frustrated with his commute, discovered through Smart Move that there is convenient Caltrain mass transit available from his neighborhood to his job.
Eric Lego decided his best option was to register a solo commuter.
If you have been frustrated with your daily commute, it appears our state and county transit officials have developed a viable plan to improve traffic flow so that it improves our quality of life and promotes continued economic growth. Although elements of the Commission's plan are controversial, like treating today's freeways as regulated transit corridors during peak commute times and using area-wide rollout of FastPass to enforce compliance, other elements are very practical, such as central coordination of carpoolers and using the centralized data to improve mass transit route planning. It's the opinion of this reporter that we should review and discuss this idea in greater detail. This is reporter Andrew, Channel 11 News.
Thank you for listening and good luck to all the other teams.
Bak